companies, reduced costs. So firms are slashing human jobs and using their resources to invest in AI-driven automation. And this is cause for major anxiety around the world. While the full extent of this trend's impact remains unknown, researchers say that hundreds of millions of jobs will be hurt. In fact, 41% of employers want to downsize their workforce and have AI automate certain tasks.
Now, the problem with AI automation is Microsoft loves to talk about agents, for example, ChatGPTs, or OpenAI likes to talk about agents. Everybody wants to talk about agents, how AI can order food for you, how AI can actually do everything for you. Problem is that when you let AI do everything for you, we're literally dumbing down human beings. Human beings are not able to think critically. The difference between somebody who works in engineering level and somebody who doesn't work in engineering is that their brain capacity, thinking critically, they're able to come out with ideas. Now, if everybody can come up with an idea using AI, then who is going to use the idea? In the case of actually people getting replaced by AI, also with 41% of companies going to replace their workforce with AI, if that happens, where is people going to make money? How is people going to make money to buy the product that this company who replaced their workforce with AI are selling? So there's got to be fine balance. Right now, I'm not sure where that's going to come around. I believe everybody is not thinking through, in terms of big companies, of course, they're not thinking through that if you keep dumbing human beings down, or you keep them or become a surface to requirement, then you isolate their position or you basically terminate their positions, then at some point they need to buy things. How are they going to buy the necessary things? If you make a product that just costs $3,000, in this case NVIDIA, you make a GPU that costs $3,000, but then people can make money to buy the GPU. So who's going to win? Is it going to be NVIDIA who automated everything and make a nice product, or the people who couldn't buy the product? So I think this is the danger of having companies think, because they're not thinking all the way through. That's making the biggest mistake. It is forgetting the people that made them who they are. They only have this revenue, this growth, this $1 trillion worth of net worth is because people bought their product. People bought their ideas. AI is surely not going to buy anybody product. AI doesn't really care about what happens to a company. It wants to grow. It wants to become AGI. It wants to become a sentient. It wants to make better version of itself one day. But right now, AI don't care about people feelings. Companies have they get symbolized to a company, their product name, brand, they get emotion attached to it. AI is not going to get emotion attached to anything. So therefore, this is all good and said and done. But unless the government has a plan to make universal income or some other ways to compensate people to buy their necessary daily things, then it's going to be tough to see how this future, unless people are just going to start rioting each other to get what they need.